Now see exercise 4.4. First question. Construct a matrix A of order 3 by 2 having element Aij, whose elements Aij are given by sub question 1 Aij equals to in numerator I minus j bracket square upon 5 minus I. So first we write here in answer rough matrix. So that is for value of I and j. So here we have to find matrix of order 3 by 2. So we write here elements in the form of a11, a12, a21, a22, a31, a32, because a11 lie in first row first column, a12 lie in first row second column. So here value of a11 is calculated by using this formula by substituting I equals to 1, j equals to 1. So see how to calculate the value. We write a11 equals to, here we replace this I by 1, this j by 1. So in numerator we get I minus j as 1 minus 1. In denominator we have 5 minus I. So we replace this I by 1. So we get in denominator 5 minus 1. So see here 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get 0 square as 0. 5 minus 1 as 4. So 0 upon 4 which is equals to 0. So this is value of first element. Then we find second element, that is value of a12. So here we replace I by 1, j by 2 in this given formula. So here we get 1 minus 2 which is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 square we get plus 1 in numerator, and in denominator 5 minus 1 we write 4. So we get element a12 as 1 by 4. Then we find third element, that is a21. So here we have to replace this I by 2 and j by 1. So here in numerator we get 2 minus 1, and we replace this I by 2. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 in denominator. So 2 minus 1 we write 1. So 1 square which is 1. So we get value of a23 as 1 by 3. Then next we find a22. Then value of a22, we replace I by 2, j by 2. So we get in numerator 2 minus 2 bracket square. In denominator we replace this I by 2. So write 5 minus 2. So in numerator we get 2 minus 2 as 0, and in denominator 5 minus 2 as 3. So we get 0 square as 0. So 0 upon 3 equals to 0. Now we find value of a13. So here we write in formula I equals to 3, j equals to 1. So here we get 3 minus 1 bracket square in numerator, and we replace this I by 3. So 5 minus 3 which is 2. So here we write 3 minus 1 as 2. So 2 square we write 4 upon 2. So after dividing 4 by 2 we get 2. So value of a31 equals to 2. Then next we find a32. So we write in this formula value of I as a 3, value of j as a 2. So we get in numerator 3 minus 2 bracket square, and in denominator we get 5 minus 3 which is 2. So 3 minus 2 which is 1. So 1 square is 1. So we get value of a32 equals to 1 by 2. Now we put all these value of a11, a12, a21, a22, a31, a32 in this matrix. So required matrix we get in first row 0 1 by 4, in second row we get 1 by 3 0, in third row we get 2 1 by 2. Now see second sub question, aij equals to I minus 3j. So in answer we write here a equals to matrix having element a11, a12, a21, a22, a31, a32. So first we find a11, that is by replacing I by 1 and j by 1. So write 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 minus 3 we get minus 2 as the value of A11. Then we find value of A12. So for that we replace this I by 1 and this j by 2. So we write here 1 minus 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 we get 6. So 1 minus 6 we write minus 5 as the value of A12. Then next we find value of A21. So for that we have to replace this I by 2 and this j by 1. So we write here 2 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So 2 minus 3 we get minus 1 as the value of A21. Then next we find value of A22. For that we have to write I as 2 and j as 2 in this formula. So we write here 2 minus 3 into 2 which is 2 minus 6 which is equals to minus 4. So value of A22 is minus 4. Then we find value of A31. So we write here I as 3, j as 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So we get 3 minus 3 as 0 for the value of A31. Then next we find A32. So for finding A32 we write I as 3, j as 2. So write here 3 minus 3 into 2. So 3 minus 6 we get minus 3. So the required matrix we write A equals to, in first row we write minus 2 minus 5, in second row we write minus 1 minus 4, in third row we write 0 minus 3. Third sub question, Aij equals to I plus j bracket cube upon 5. So first we write in answer given matrix A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So first we find A11 by replacing I by 1, j by 1. So in numerator we get 1 plus 1. So we write here 1 plus 1 bracket cube upon 5. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we write 2 cube upon 5 which is 8 by 5. Then next we find A12. For A12 we replace this I by 1, j by 2. So write in numerator 1 plus 2 bracket cube upon 5. So 1 plus 2 is 3. We get 3 cube. So 3 cube is 27. So we get here A12 as 27 upon 5. Then next we find A21. So for finding A21 we write I as 2, j as 1. So 2 plus 1 which is 3. So 3 cube we write 27. So write in denominator 5. So 27 upon 5 is the value of A21. Then next we find A22. For that we have to write I as 2, j as 2. So we get in numerator 2 plus 2 raised to the power 3 upon 5. So write 4 cube upon 5. 4 cube is 64. So we get A22 equals to 64 upon 5. Then we find A31. So for that we have to replace this I by 3, j by 1. So 3 plus 1 we get 4. 4 cube is 64. Denominator as it is. So A31 we get 64 upon 5. Then next we find A32. For A32 we have to write I as 3, j as 2. So write in numerator 3 plus 2 bracket cube upon 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 cube we get 125. Denominator as it is. You can simplify or you can write 125 upon 5 in matrix for writing the value of element. So see, the element A has 8 by 5, 27 by 5, 27 by 5, 64 by 5, 64 by 5, 125 upon 5. You can take 1 by 5 common from each element. Now next question number second. Classify the following matrices as a row, a column, a square, a diagonal, a scalar, a unit, an upper triangular, a lower triangular, a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. So see first example. Here in this matrix, if we consider diagonal elements as 3 0 0, then the elements below this diagonal are all 0 This is an example of upper triangular matrix. So this is upper triangular matrix. Now see second example. If we observe the diagonal elements, all the diagonal elements are 0, and we observe the elements at the position aij, we get aij equals to minus aji. Here 4, here we get minus 4, here 7, minus 7, minus 3, 3. So this is example of skew symmetric matrix. You can check with the help of transpose. So we get here after transpose A transpose equals to minus A. So this is skew symmetric matrix. Then third, here this matrix has only one column. So this is column matrix. This example is example of row matrix, because in this matrix only one row. So this is row matrix. Here this matrix is a scalar matrix, because here non-diagonal elements are 6, 6 and diagonal elements are 0, or you can say here this diagonal has same element 6, 6 and all non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is scalar matrix. In this matrix, if we consider diagonal elements as 2, minus 1, 1, then the elements above this diagonal are all 0. So see here, this is lower triangular matrix. Then in this matrix, diagonal elements are 3, 5, 1 by 3 and non-diagonal elements are all 0. This is example of triangular matrix, that is lower as well as upper triangular matrix. So we call triangular matrix. Then in this matrix, if we observe the elements minus 15, minus 15, 27, 27, root 34, root 34, which is at position aij. So here we get aij equals to aji. So this is symmetric matrix. Then last example. In this example, if we observe the diagonal elements are all 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0, this is unit matrix. So in last matrix, here diagonal elements are 1, 1. So this is also example of unit matrix. That means 9 and 10 both are the unit matrix.